When you put wind turbines out to sea, they create radar clutter to current incumbent radar systems, so that it's very difficult to see beyond the shadow that's created by those wind farms. AIS, or the Air Intelligence System, is developed to bring multiple different sensor types together in one place, where we then fuse those sensor outputs, delivering to our customers a credible airspace picture.
It's really important to protect the airspace around our wind farm so that we can obviously monitor what is going on around, but also it helps with the MODs to be able to track other objects in our airspace.
The system is made up of multiple sensor types, from electro-opticals, cameras, with thermal capabilities and visible light capabilities, RF detection, acoustic detection, and we put those sensors on every turbine.
This partnership with Vattenfall allows UK SMEs the unique opportunity to deploy, test and demonstrate their innovative technologies at a real live working wind farm.
We tested the system initially at the ORE Catapult's Levermouth facility on the east coast of Scotland, and the lessons that we learnt there have now allowed us to expand that project to cover several turbines at the EOWDC site off the coast of Aberdeen.
Testing the field is really important to get real-world data, so you get wind and you get waves and you get rain and you get all of the different circumstances where you'd be working offshore, so that you can really build on your technology and see where you need to improve, see where you've got good things, bad things.
When you put something out into the North Sea, it's going to be a very hostile environment for many months of the year, so it's interesting to us to see just how well our equipment is able to stand up to that. Without the support of organisations such as Vattenfall and ORE Catapult, we would never be in a position to be able to test our equipment offshore. Some of the secondary capabilities that we're seeing as a result of doing our offshore work will benefit the offshore wind operators directly. We have thermal cameras on each turbine. We can point those thermal cameras at adjacent turbines and see whether or not there are any health issues and report those early. Our acoustic system can be trained to be able to listen for a delaminating blade, so there's lots of extra benefits other than the primary one of air defence. Over the next 12 months or so, we intend to continue to develop on this project. We'd like to expand that to even more in the UK coastal waters.